Morning. Just getting into the combine, get everything all greased up, and we're ready to roll. Dad's in my pickup with the corn header attached to it, so we're gonna go ahead and move over to the first cornfield of the year. We got the combine all switched over, slowed the rotor down, got the knives set down, and set the sieves. So we're all set to go. We're just gonna move over there, get the headlands opened up, and just get started. We're not really going to take it too seriously today. We're going to just get the headlands and the field opened up, and just so that when we can go next weekend is when we're really going to hit it hard. We're going to be able to knock out a lot of the corn acres there. Maybe take out that whole field in one day. We'll see. Alright, well, while we're waiting for Dad to get back with the grain cart, I'm going to do a little checking down here, because I did change the concaves a little bit. Just make sure we're clearing the cobs like we are. We were leaving a couple cobs with some, with a little bit of corn on it. We weren't cleaning them perfectly, but I tightened the concaves up 2 points, and I'm not seeing anything on the ground. I'm not seeing anything split in half. I'm not seeing anything out of the usual. Everything looks pretty good. Looks like the machine's doing a pretty good job cleaning the corn. There's a couple kernels here and there, but it's not doing a bad job at all. It does get a little bit muddy down in here, which is why I'm waiting for the cart to come back, because I was sliding a little bit right in here. You can see the tracks right there. We're not leaving anything behind. We're not making a mess. We're doing pretty good. Just gonna wait for the cart to come back, and then we can dump on the go and move again. We're just gonna try to knock out these 80 acres. Thanksgiving is next weekend, and that's when we're gonna really work hard at getting this corn out. There's an 80 here, and then we've got another 40, a little bit south and a little bit west. This is my favorite crop. It's corn. It's easy for me. I don't really have to think about it. The only thing is the high amount that you get, but corn, it's, and this is probably 200 bushel corn to the acre, so it's good corn. You know, you can see I didn't go very far, and it's already up to the glass, so. Well, that's gonna do it for us tonight, guys. We're gonna hit it hard this next weekend. I'm gonna do a little bit of corn tomorrow. I might videotape that, I might not. All depends. I don't know. Probably knocked out about 10 acres of corn today. Not very much, but it's a dent overall. Just didn't have all the help we needed today to definitely take out a bunch of acres of corn. But we did all right. We're doing pretty good. picking away at it. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.